and I'm the winner of Up Next 2025. I'm here for my first solo exhibition, and it's called One at a Time. My work is inspired by my childhood, and that is weaving, where I saw women coming from doing a lot of work, a lot of labor, and then after all that, they would sit down and weave their baskets. There were so many crafts, but that was like the most common craft, and it seemed like labor, but at the same time it seemed like they were relaxing. And I wanted to explore that in my master's thesis, and I wanted to explore labor and rest, and how they work together, how I can incorporate it in my practice and create things where I'm working together, I'm resting while working, you know. I like creating work in an intimate way, where I'm seated listening to my music and doing something slowly by slowly, and this work is one that you keep developing little by little, but at each stage it looks complete, like you feel like it's complete, and I don't have to like put all my brain to it. The hands understand after some time and create the work by itself without having to think about it so much. It's a repetitive technique where I repeat something every time, and that repetition makes me master the technique at some point. And when I master the technique, I'll use it on all the other works. I don't have to think yet again, and I allow intuition so much in my work. It grows by its own. Yeah, I let it grow by its own. So one at a time, each piece is individual, but then it creates a whole. I mean, each piece is individual from the start until it creates one whole, but then the whole installation also comes as one, becomes one. I was at the end of my master's program, and yeah, I was graduating in June, and the call was in April, May. So I wanted to like step out in the professional world and like grow from there immediately. So I looked at this open call, and I thought it was going to be something that was going to elevate my practice at that time, because I wanted to keep working and keep going. So I applied for Up Next. It was also a good opportunity for me at the time and right now, of course. Well, I felt very excited, and I felt like, yeah, this is the start of my career, and this is a very good time for me, and I felt like a star. I'm looking at more opportunities in not only in the Nordics, but also around the world, including my country, Uganda. Yeah, I sure want to go back to Uganda and create something there with my fellow artists that I worked with before. And yeah, I'm looking forward to so many opportunities right now.